Hello everyone. In this video, I'll explain about the hierarchy in the visuals. So there are some visuals which support hierarchy. So we'll see some of them. So let's start with the that is column chart here. So adjust its size here as per our choice. So on the x-axis, we'll move the category here. After category, we'll move the subcategory. Now the product. On the y-axis, we'll move the sales here. Now we can see here three categories: technology, furniture, office supply, and on the y-axis we can see the sales value. Now click to turn on drill down here. If you click on the technology, it is further divided to four different subcategories like phones, machines, accessory, copiers. Now if we click on the phones, it is further divided to the products. So now we can see here the different product name under the category of phone here. Now drill up. Again we can see phones, machine, accessories, copiers. Again click on the machines. Now we can see different product name under the product machine. Now again drill up here. We can see again technology, furniture, office supply, three different categories here. If we click on the office supply, we can see the different subcategory under the office supply like storage, binders, appliance, paper. If we select any subcategory here, appliance, we can see different product name under the appliance here. Now again drill up. So this is the stack column chart which support the hierarchy. Now the next is the line chart. Here we'll see. Now in the x-axis we'll move the order date here. On the y-axis sales. Yes. Now we can see the order date at 2014, 15, 16, 17. Here it's already clicked to turn on drill down here. So one thing here is only the order date we have the pre-hierarchy set here. Not like the previous one where we set the category, subcategory and product here. So that is the benefit of the order date here. Now if we click on the 2015, remove this. Click to turn on drill down here. Now yeah, again 2015 is divided into the quarter here. So we can see three different quarter like January, March, sorry it's again one down up. Now it's divided into the quarter here. Now we can see January, April, then July, then fourth quarter from the October here. So we can see a year divided into the four quarters here. Now if we click on the April here, we'll see here what happened. Now we can see a quarter like the April second quarter, so April, May, June here. So it represents the April sales, May 2015, then June. If we click further on the May month, we can see the entire May month sale. Like here 3rd May, 10th May, 17th May weekly wise. If you click further here, can we do it? No, from here it's not possible here. So again we have to drill up here. Again it's divided to the year, quarter and month. Now again back to the year only. Now we can see one more year 2016 here. Click here. 2016 is divided into three different quarter like Jan to April, April to July, July to October, and then further October to December here. We click on the April, we can see April, May, June trend. If we click on the May, it's further divided into the entire May month. Here we can see the date wise. Now, after this, we'll see the pie chart and donut chart. Now we'll click on the pie chart. In the legend, we move the category here. Again, subcategory, then product name. In the value, we'll move the sales here. Now we can see here, this is pie chart represent three different categories like technology, furniture and office supply here. Now click on the turn on drill down here. Yeah, it's a black button here. It means it is on here. Now if we click on the office supply section category, so here it's further divided into three different subcategories like storage, binders, appliance and all. If we further click on any subcategory like appliance, it's further divided into the all the products here. We can see here and its sales value here. Now if we click on the drill up, again it's coming back here like subcategory, then category here. Now we'll see the donut chart as well here. Here in the legend, we'll move the category, subcategory, product name. Now this time instead of sale, we'll use the profit here. Now click on the drill down. Now see here, if we click on the any category, it's further divided to three means different subcategories here. If you click on any subcategory, just click here. It's further divided into the different product here and we can see all its value here. Like profit under each product name, subcategory, category. So again drill up, coming back into the category and subcategory. Now drill up, again it's showing the all the category name here. So there are some visual like the stack column chart, this is line chart, donut chart, pie chart and tree map. It it have the drill